Batman, chill out.
What up? Kohomada, how are you? Sri Lankan traders, quick analyze for next week. My most of analyze work perfectly. First, we'll see what's the news going on next week. Next week, CPI news Tuesday. From Tuesday, big event, gonna be more volatile on Tuesday, and Wednesday, PPI news gonna release, and crude oil investors news gonna release, and Philadelphia gonna be released, and we'll see what's next week. Next week is this is next week. Next week, USD Trump gonna speak on Wednesday. Be careful, this one gonna be turning point. This gonna be more volatile market. 1:30 p.m. UK time Wednesday. Keep an eye, stay tuned. Donald Trump gonna speak Wednesday, and Korea PCE price. This one also high volatile news. Thursday and Friday. Friday is not much, but gonna impact for the S&P 500. Okay, keep an eye. Wednesday gonna be strong, volatile, gonna be on the market. So I'm gonna go for the DX dollar index. Dollar index gonna be this pattern: a drop, sideways, and drop. This one gonna be it seems to be they're creating this one sideways, like this, and boom to the downside. It's mean USD dollar index these days, like a week. This is weekly chart. Weekly chart is bullish mean USD is strong. Gonna be, if the price come to this area, gonna be look for the sell. I mean USD gonna be weak, because USD gonna be this chart telling me that's why I'm saying all the time you had to you need to know how to read the market. This not a strong bullish trend, but this is weekly chart. If the price get to this level, definitely gonna be sell off. It's mean USD dollar gonna be weak. The last two weeks, USD strong. That's why Euro USD selling, GBP USD selling, USD JPY buying. That's the thing. You need to check first DXY dollar index first. Yeah, otherwise you shouldn't trade on forex market and gold and other stuff. So keep an eye. I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks time, this bull trend gonna be end up if we hit the supply zone area, and then USD gonna be weak. So yeah, and this is the USD index. We go to the Euro USD first, and then figure out how it's work. My analyze was, I told you see, this is the weekly. I go to the daily chart. My supplies work perfectly. Few weeks back, if you go to my video, if you check, I told you supply gonna this is last week. It is same thing happen. What time say it's happened. You need to know, you need to read the market properly. Supply hit, and USD is strong, the selling, and this is the next supply demand area. This area if you wanna if you trade on Euro USD, look for this by this area. So I'm not doing I'm not trade forex market. I'm doing like other stuff like S&P 500, oil and gold, Sometime I take advantage if you get the my perfect level. So forex market, this is the, you have to wait for this one. When you are waiting for the price to come this level, if you hit and more, there's a demand area as well. I'm drawing a demand. This is the area if you want to buy euro USD. This is still strong, the sell side, and because the dollar index is still really strong. This area or this area, this area or this area, could be bounce back this area, this demand as well, and I'm prefer to get this. You can get more the risk reward here rather than here. So keep on eye these two level, euro USD. This is weekly chart. Okay. Okay, next I go to the Bitcoin. I told you see, and Bitcoin is hit demand, but it's showing the bullish trend. Don't buy it. Wait for the price coming to this level. I draw the last week, this one, and last Thursday is showing the sell pressure. Still we don't know where to go. This is a strong support level and high volume area as well. Wait, don't buy, don't sell. Wait for the price come to this level. Look for the buy signal. You can figure out, you can read the candlestick pattern, what's they showing us to buy or selling, and then take action. If you break this level, it's gonna be like this. Price going to drop and pull back and then go to this. But this one look like a strong bull candle, and I'm not buying it because it's still demand. That's the thing, demand strong, hit it a few back, like I think 2 months ago I said it, demand hit it, and it's still it wasn't a strong buy signal, but slowly and they build up the bullish back after that. I think my chance like 60% is, before I'm gonna tell you like a 50% where buy yourself. Now I'm gonna get like a buy side if we get this level to if we get the discount that much, and I'm look for the buy on this area, and we'll see if we break it. Keep the stop loss. That's the thing, trading is you need to keep all the time stop loss, keep the space, and that's how you trade. Because supply is here around this area. I'm pretty sure gonna strong supply. This one I'm really happy to sell here, so it's gonna be 60 to 70 chance to this bull gonna be run Bitcoin, right? Okay, and I'm go to the S&P 500. S&P 500. Look at this. That's why I'm saying as I dropped the one video as well. My Big Rich Town. Please follow my channel Big Rich Town, FB page Big Rich Town. You can get free signal also, and I'm updated day by day basic what's going on gold and everything. So we're gonna get bit knowledge about this channel. You see, look at this channel, but hitting working perfectly. They hit it, and and then them I was looking for the sell a few times. I'm selling. Is probably next Wednesday gonna be December, because Donald Trump gonna be speaking out. We can see how its market gonna be behavior on this day. Probably next 2 weeks time gonna be market gonna be drop, pretty sure, because really strong level, this level. So still little bit, a few pip, the few rooms available, you still have to go up. And this one, if we go to the daily chart, it's going to be side day market. So you see I'm selling around here last week, so it's still little bit go room. It's better to, if you get nice signal here, I'm gonna sell it. So it's better to keep the stop out bit bigger, and your target gonna be around here and next demand zone. That's why my plan. I'm go to your favorite. Oh, where's the goal? Gold. Okay, there we go. I told you this trend gonna be respect nicely. You, if you go and see my I uploaded few videos, Big Rich Town on Facebook page, and you can get more advantage. I mentioned in the morning, Friday morning, you're going to be selling. It's happening, and this hit the. I mentioned my video and previous video, as you can go and watch it. I said this is this supply become a demand, and price it drastically bounce up. My next target is still this one selling gold. I will show you. This is the supply area. This is a demand area one, demand one. This is the strongest demand here. This week, this is one look. You see high volume area as well. Look for the buy around here. This one gonna be bounce a little bit. I'm probably like a 50-60 chance gonna be bouncing, and this one gonna be long term. Gonna be hold it 60-70 chance to go upper. Like this is the supply area. This supply area. I'm selling. I couldn't take the profit. I had to do something. I forgot about price bounce up. Oh, I see. Supply area. This one. This area. If you go to 4-hour chart, this is supply area. This is demand one, demand two down here, and this is your should be get. I will show you the two things gonna happen. This one could go all the way down in the Asia market, and this one to go here, and then gonna bounce back to the, because Asia haven't had chance to yesterday, because yesterday's market closing, because Asia have more money, like more money to exchange with gold, so they haven't had chance to get this price. Definitely price price has to come here and then bounce back and get the supply unfilled order here, and they get the fill orders and gonna be drop to demand down there. This is plan one. It's gonna happen in Asia market when the Monday open. If not, price gonna go like this, sideways like this, and then go to this one and look for the sell, because Donald Trump is speak on Wednesday. They have to have something to move the market. So there's a reason about this. Is the two things happen. It could be straight away in the Asia market. This is the two things happen, right? Price, because Asia market haven't had time to get this price, because this sell-off happened on New York session. So when the Asian market open, they're gonna get the price come back to this level, and then take buy, and then get the supply, and then if not, straight away because this area so many supply orders, retail traders selling here. So what they do, they sideway market and boom, supply zone, get the stop loss out all the traders and then sell off again. That's the two things happen. So be careful and keep an eye, so you had good chance. And after the Asia market close, you will get the I think you're gonna get the signal for the sell or buy. You can figure out. So this is the weekly analyze for next week. Especially I told you the dollar index is very important where to head it, and for if you do the forex market. And also I told you the Bitcoin, what's going to happen and what's going to happen in gold market as well. So stock market almost going to drop off, is will decide next week. We keep an eye. And gold also, this big opportunities coming on market. So please this is I'm doing for the your help you to better trader to analyze market. Please subscribe my channel and my YouTube page, Big Rich Town. Have a nice day. Good luck for you.